Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Learning Technology. Drowning in thousands of files and messy documents? What if AI could understand mind map of your entire project without reading every single file? Meet Graphify. In modern development, the problem is not lack of information, it is lack of contents. When you jump into a massive code base of a research project, you don't always see how one function impacts another. Andre famous keep a raw folder of paper, note and screenshot. Managing that chaos is nearly impossible. Graphify was built for finding structures hidden within the data. Graphify is an AI coding assistant skill that transfer your file into a prescriptive knowledge graph. It's not just for text, it's fully multimodal. It's take code, PDF, diagram, whiteboard photos and even video or audio file and connect them into a single searchable map. The most impressive part, its result is 71.5x fewer token per query compared to reading raw files. Let's talk about how it is actually work. The magic happened in three stages. First, it used tree sitter to extract the skeleton of your code, classes, function and imports. This pass requires zero LLM calls, making it fast and free. In the second stage, if your folder contains video or audio, it uses Whisper to transcribe them locally. Your data stays on your machine, ensuring total privacy. Coming to the final, Claude agent run it parallelly to extract concepts and design relations from your documentation and images. Everything is merged into a graph that shows you not just what code does but why it was written that way. Imagine you are auditing a massive enterprise project. Running Graphify generate a graph report.md. Here you will find the God nodes, the critical file that everything else depend on. You might discover a surprising connection where a legacy auth flow is tied to an old whiteboard diagram you forget existed. This level of structural clarity is a game changer for architecture reviewers. The benefits are massive. Percentage massive, token saving and cross-file conceptual link. You can query the graph week later without rescanning. However, there is a trade-offs. The internal extraction required LLM tokens, which can be upfront cost for very large projects. It requires Python 3.10 plus and higher tier models like Claude or GPT-4 for the best semantic results. If you are a developer looking to master complex systems, run pip install Graphify today. Check out the link in description for the full documentation. Let me know in comments which codebase you are mapping first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more GenAI secrets. Please comment what is the next tool you want to know in our next video. Thank you.